Hey guys, welcome back to NVS Rides. We are out here. I'm trying to get my camera to pick it up. This thing is beautiful. It was about a year ago we did an exhaust video. I think this might be one of my favorite touches on an OBS is that just a subtle cowl hood. Oh my gosh. Now if we could get the blacked out grill with the black bow tie with the red around it. Woo! That's not what we're here to talk about. This thing had a homemade dumped exhaust on it. The mufflers are right there, and then it dumped right there. What we were using is this. And normally I would be like, man, I love dumps. I have always liked dumps. I've put dumps on so many things. But for some reason, with this short wheelbase, they just weren't good. They rattled, they resonated. It was just not desirable. And maybe because normally I dump them after the axle and on a pickup truck. But what we've done here, we've done still kept it duals. We've come out both sides with some big old tips. It is welded. I wanted to dump them here and try dumping them back farther. But with the shocks, I just couldn't get them to line up and look how I wanted to. There's just a lot of stuff in the way right there with the spring and stuff. I think when you have a Tahoe Suburban pickup, there's a little more room back there. The funny thing is, this spare tire on this is right here, but it's just so short that it's, oh gosh, look at that reflection. Look at those wheels, man. This is a good looking rig. We still got the smoke taillights. I got a new factory set I can throw on here. But again, we just got the tip here coming out the side. They're even. You got kind of show you what I'm talking about maybe over here. There's just so much junk back here. The fuel tank, the spring, the shock is up there on that side. The shock is right there on this side. Plus you got the spring. It's harder to work on this as far as get to dumps that worked other than where I had them, and I just didn't like it. So what I'm going to do is get you a cold start. I'll show a little bit of some previous clips so that you kind of see what I was working with, and then we'll get you a driving clip before and after. I think this sounds better. It's quieter a little bit inside, but at the same time it sounds better. So let me just, I know you're gonna have a cold start and she's warmed up now. Let's just start it up. I guess I ought to back you up so you can see the beautiful wheels. Those Ultra wheels are no joke. They need a little polish. As you get up close, you can see some spots, but for the most part, these are legit. I like them. They look good. Now you got the chrome tip out the back. This is a good rig. Not a lot of power, but a good rig. So let's go get you some clips of previous, and then a driving shot before and after too. I think this is the way to go on the Blazer. Interior wise, I can't begin to even tell you how much better this is to deal with, to live with, to drive with. I mean, it was borderline annoying before driving this thing. And now I drive it, it's like any other thing. It's kind of loud with the Flowmasters, but it's good. So let's get you those other clips, driving clip, and if you can, hit that like button and subscribe, and hope you enjoy this video. The exhaust tips don't really hang down that low. I mean, if you look, there's the rear axle, so they're not even going to be seen. so much more livable than it was before. I like it. It's still not quite as polished as I would like it, and I don't know if that's because there's only the 2 Flowmasters, no other restrictions, but overall, sounds good. If you liked it before, this is honestly the way to go. It's really stinky, but hopefully you can see the difference, hear the difference. I wish I could have had a before in here, because this was freaking just like miserable. I drove up to North Georgia once and I was like, oh, never again. So exhaust has been on here for several months. I just haven't made the video because it's freaking hot. But here you go. We'll give you one more drive away, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.